And now for the news in detail. The Commissioner and Secretary of the Government of Meghalaya, Syed Mohammed A. Razi, while briefing the media today, said that many students from rural areas are not able to register themselves for the CUET, and there are some who have registered but did not get an opportunity to appear. He informed that the UGC had exempted Meghalaya from CUET for the year 2024-2025. Students should not worry, as for now they can take admission in any colleges in the state. Meanwhile, Chief Minister thanked Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan for accepting the state's request for exemption from the Common University Entrance Test.
Honorable CM decided that we will seek exemption from CUET-based admission for the current academic year 2024-25 for all colleges affiliated with NEHU in Meghalaya. The decision was taken to make Captain Williamson Sangma State University fully functional and to be in a position to affiliate all colleges for the as early as possible.
And we're thankful that once again we requested, and on the basis of our request, the Government of India has exempted the state of Meghalaya and also the state of Nagaland. And by next year, we are very, very hopeful that most of our colleges will be affiliated to our state university, and hence we would not require the exemptions from next year onwards.
Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma yesterday informed